All your friends, just look at a simple example which I'm demonstrating to all of you. I'm right now driving a Mercedes Benz. Yeah, this is a Mercedes Benz, and when the vehicle is in motion, I'm trying to switch off the engine. Okay, you can see this. Here's the button. Okay, I'm trying to switch off. The engine doesn't switch off. I'm pressing the button. The engine is not switching off. Okay. This is just an example of a Mercedes Benz. We'll do similar test on a BMW as well as an Audi. Now see, here I am driving an Audi A4. This is almost a 12 to 13 years old Audi A4. Here's the engine on off switch. There's the key. I'm just pressing this button. See, it does not switch off. Okay, we saw Mercedes Benz and now this is Audi. Now here I'm driving a BMW. Okay, the vehicle is moving, and let me switch off. See, it does not switch off. The engine doesn't switch off. Again, I'm trying once more. See, it's not switching off. Now this is with the BMW. Okay, I'm trying the third time. It's not switching off. Okay. Okay, now I'm driving a Volvo X60. Volvos are termed as one of the safest car money can buy, and I'll demonstrate you about the switch. You can have a look. Let me drive it. For a while. Okay, you can very well check. I'm driving a Volvo XC60 and I'm trying to switch off the engine. Yeah, here's the button. See, it doesn't switch off. It doesn't switch off. Okay, now let me give multiple attempts. I'll do a multiple attempt. 1, 2. Okay, when I applied the button twice, the engine stalled. Okay, so the design is programmed in such a way that by mistake, if somebody touches the button, the engine will never shut down. It will only shut down when there are multiple attempts. It will only shut down when the speed is below 10 km/h. So there are various signals like engine speed, the vehicle speed. These are the parameters taken by the engine control unit to control the engine. Okay, now I will come to the actual point why I am just demonstrating all this. I have shown you all similar phenomena on a BMW, on a Mercedes Benz, Audi as well as Volvo. All 4 cars are termed to be the safest cars, technologically very advanced cars. So the reason why I have done this study is just to tell you when cars like this can have such a safety features. The airplane will definitely have far better safety features. So the current speculation created by the media about the Ahmedabad crash is totally baseless. The fuel cutoff switch will behave in different manner. When the plane is grounded, it will switch off the engine. But when the plane is airborne, when the plane is on the sky, multiple attempts would be required. It will never switch off the engine. If it switches off the engine, that means there's a big lacuna from Boeing company. Boeing has failed to take these factors into consideration. Very, very clear. Now to bring this truth, I hereby request aviation experts to do a simulation similar to what had happened. Maybe you may have simulation equipments. Obviously, we can't do this on a live plane. Okay, that will always be a risk. But there are simulators available, and on a simulation, the same thing should be done. When the plane is airborne, what happens? Does the engine shut down, or does it take multiple attempts to switch off the fuel pump?